Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn about RSA algorithm with example. It is used for secure data transmission and digital signatures. Let's take one example. So here I have one lock, and this lock has two set of key. One is public key, another is private key. So if I will use public key to lock this, then same key cannot be used to unlock. In order to unlock this, I have to use private key. Now let's take one more example. One of my friend wanted to write a message to me, and she's worried that someone else can read this message. Now let's see how RSA can help. After message has been composed, we can encrypt this message using public key. Now that encrypted data we can transfer from one place to another place without getting worried that someone can read and understand, because it's encrypted, no one can understand. Once it will reach to me, I can use my private key to decrypt this message and I can read the original content. For this demo, we are going to generate RSA key from cryptotools.net/RSA gen. We can generate key with different length. For this demo I will go with 1024. Let's generate the key. Now we have private key and public key. So now let's go back to Linux terminal, and here I will do ls, and you can see here I have my private key and public key both available here. Let's see this key here. So cat private key, you can see this is my private key, and public key also, let's see it. So this is public key, and now let's see the data, the message what we have. So message I have kept in data.txt file, and message is simple: hello, how are you? Now we'll go back to, and here we'll copy this command which will help us to encrypt this message. So let's copy this, and for this encryption we are using OpenSSL command. Now here we are trying to encrypt using public key, and input is my data.txt file, and output file I will call it as data.txt.enc. Now let's see, we should have one more file added here, that is data.txt.enc. Now let's read this data. So this will be encrypted. Now you can see here from original message it has been encrypted. Now if we forward this message, no one can understand it unless you decrypt it. Now let's copy this decrypt command and paste it here, and to decrypt it, again after decrypt I'm going to create the file with data decrypt. Now here we are passing the private key, and we are trying to decrypt, and this is my input to this decrypt command. Now let's run this. Now you will see here we got one more file called data_decrypt. Now let's read this file, and you can see we got the original message. So encrypted, decrypted. So thanks for watching.